We got some damage from the Hurricane Nicholas. See here, vegetable dropped close to the ground. And our fruit forest also got some damage. Our vegetable here, flowers, and this is broken. We probably needed to cover it pretty soon, otherwise the rain will go down to our house. We temporarily use metal wires, fixed this part. Later, when the weather is better, we probably have to repair it again. We started the cleanup of our yard, and here has a lot of branches, leaves. From positive angle to think about this, Nicholas helped us to harvest some jujubes and this kind of winter melon, squash, different kind of squash, and here also a different winter melon. This guy, I would guess probably 50 pounds, and also helped us to harvest okras, ginger, even there is a sweet potato.